Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick little flip through on our forces and movement study. Now this is a science specific study. It's not a unit study because it just covers science, but it comes with a student book as well as a parent's guide, and I haven't been printing my parent guides out. I've just been using my tablet for them. So this comes with 34 pages in the parent's guide, and it has all the information you need for all 10 lessons. And then we do have some online resources linked throughout the parent's guide as well, which is the reason that I haven't printed these out for myself. Is Jared made this so I can just go in and see the resources that he had for us. So there's lesson 1, you read the information, and then each lesson in this study has a experiment to go along with it, and so then it's a simple experiment using resources that you probably have on hand at home. And then you do that. And then for the student guide for lesson 1, each of the lessons has like a quick little worksheet, so that just reinforces this first lesson is what is a force. And so it reinforces that. They have to say if it's a push force or a pull force. And then there is a way to track the experiment that they do. And then it just keeps going on. So then you go to lesson 2 with a parent's guide, read through that, and try out the experiment. And so there's all sorts of different pictures. So here's an online resource so you can go and watch a video that explains some of these experiments or different things. Yeah, so it's got 10 different lessons. So it's you could do it over the course of 10 days. You could do one lesson a week for the 10 weeks. So there's all sorts of different experiments and information. And then each day the kids' book has a worksheet and then a space for their to document what happened in the experiment. They do air resistance there. They're doing like a parachute drop, egg drop, water resistance and buoyancy, tension and springs. So for these ones, we do not have different aged workbooks. So there's just the one workbook, and it is for approximately ages 6 to 12. So that is kind of a look inside the forces and movement study.